Welcome to Saturday, y'all. We just pulled up at the Dollar General. We went and had lunch with Mama. Now we have to go in here to get a few things for Father's Day tomorrow. We need some gift bags and things. Oh, Daddy likes these. My daddy used to love these too. We seem to have found the toy aisle.
Oh, a dinosaur.
What? He's got a purple mouth. Look at that.
Yeah.
I think we need a summer puzzle to do this summer. Dino poop slime kit. What will they think of next? They have a lot of craft stuff on clearance for 50% off.
How much is the snake?
That snake is $1, I think. Yeah, $1. They have some cute pillows, Farm Fresh.
What is this, Mama?
That is a slingshot.
Oh, a slingshot.
We found another toy aisle.
And a squishy thing. Mom, do you need one of these?
No, we got one. We got the water wand.
Oh.
Oh, a little mini lantern. Going in the Father's Day bag. He needs a new cooler. Any Father's Day gift bags? Or just blue even? That one will be fine, Sissy. Yeah, that'll work. They have these little torch things here. A color changing citronella candle. Kitchen open, kitchen closed. $5. Oh, look at that. Farm Fresh milk delivered daily. 5 cents a quart. And cream. That is so cute. How much are you? $8. Laundry room. That's a pretty table runner, red, white, and blue. Oh, look at the little sugar jars. Look at that. Pretty. This is a pretty platter. How much is it? $1? Oh, $3?
Easy. Yeah, it
It is. Can't touch this. This picture is really cute. It says be sweet and it has a bee on it. It's $8. Oh, the little pig tray. $5. All right, y'all, we are back home. Here's some of the stuff we got from Dollar General. We also got a few things for Father's Day, and the kids got some toys. This is the stuff that I picked out. I did get the red, white, and blue flowery tray. It's so pretty. And I picked out this 500-piece puzzle to do on a rainy day, because y'all know we'll have some. I got some aluminum foil. I got these swirl bracelet, glow bracelet things for the kids. And I got 2 of these glasses. They say Farm Fresh, made with love. It's hard to see the made with love, but that's what it says. They were only $1. And this Gain Ultra Oxy Waterfall Delight laundry detergent was on clearance. It was 50% off. It was only $8. I should have gotten 2. They only had 2 left. She said they were trying to get rid of them because they were doing a remodel and they weren't going to be carrying them anymore, so they were just trying to get rid of them. I didn't really think it was going to ring up for half price. That's the only reason I just got one of them, but it did. You don't want to crack them until tonight so you can play with them outside when it gets dark.
Ooh.
Woo!
What's in here?
It's these.
I can't even see him when he takes off running. It's just like. Say what kind? I'm not a bank robber, so I'm not just getting
I was thinking to say, what kind of safe is it, like on the episode of the Andy Griffith Show when they were talking about if the safe was a good one. Sissy forgot her combination to her little, it's like a piggy bank, but it does have a combination. I know that Sissy's had a 41 as the last number. Go past the 0 twice.
Twice and go 28. Okay.
I think it's 28.
Here you go, buddy.
You wouldn't have made it in those bank robberies. You would have had to been a good guy. Just be a good guy.
I would have been a good guy in those days. I would have been tough, but a good guy. I'd have been like, boys, this ain't the right thing to do. Now, if you don't stop, I'm going to have to finish my sweet tea, and I'm going to have to take your butt to jail, or you're behind to jail. Because Fallon edits out B-U-T-T. If I say that, she edits that out. 42?
Jonah's a good code cracker, Manny. Ty's home.
Tyler gets a lot of comments on his truck there. It's a 1977 model, 4-wheel drive, short bed Chevrolet.
Yeah, but several times they both could have already sold those trucks. They gonna hang on to them.
You get more comments on them trucks right there than you do a newer truck.
Or my minivan. Nope. You know how many people's ever said?
Ain't nobody ever come up and say, can we buy that?
Nobody has ever.
I could set uptown in that minivan, just put me some sunglasses on, kick the door open, and just sit there. And they won't nobody come by and say, man, that's a bad minivan. You know?
But we're not joking about this part. Tyler will just be at the gas station pumping gas, and Jacob too. Jake's had it happen. People will just come up and offer to buy their trucks from them.
Jacob had somebody at Dairy Queen pull up and want to give him almost $10,000
Yeah.
for this right there. I mean, the only thing I can think of is that thing's white. I can probably go somewhere and get them to paint me some flames on the hood and all that.
Look at the windows shining.
I'm
Look at
probably
that.
going to end up jacking it up with some forward. Put some dual exhaust on it.
And we'll get some lights like Tyler has going
Get
across
some
the
lights
front.
and definitely go
Yeah.
get some flames put down it, and then I'm going to go uptown.
Maybe even some of those, what do you call those y'all put on top? Chicken lights?
Chicken lights. Don't
Yeah.
put chicken lights on it, and then I'm going to go uptown like them teenagers used to do when we were kids. Kick my door open and be like,
Oh, and light it up under.
Fallon be sitting up there like, what about this thing? Car show. Churches, that's all churches do now. Car show.
Around here, I don't know if they do it everywhere, but
Everywhere,
around
baby.
here,
It's
just
everywhere.
about every weekend, you can find a car show.
They don't want a good
somewhere.
sermon, they want a good car show. So I'm gonna pull up in my minivan and be like, look here, the Lord sent me over here and let y'all see this flame of fire right here. Y'all don't get in there and sing some hymns and get back in the good book. Right here, boys. Just look at it. Hot Rod Sunday. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you wonder when will it ever happen, but if it don't ever happen. One thing Tyler's done is he's thrown his ropes in his window right there. I hadn't did that yet.
Yeah.
We're gonna get them looking at it, Mama.
Okay, y'all, it's the next day. I'm in here this morning getting some strawberries ready for a homemade strawberry cake. That was Titus's Father's Day dessert request. Everybody else is still asleep right now, so I'm whispering. That's another reason I'm just slicing these strawberries up. If everybody was awake, I would use my little mini food chopper, but it's pretty early in the morning, so I'm just gonna cut them like this. And then we're gonna get these in a pot, and they're gonna cook on the stovetop for just a few minutes. I try not to turn too many lights on, because Roosty, as soon as he sees a light come on, even if the sun's not up yet, he's gonna start crowing. Like this morning, right when I turned the bathroom light on, he's up. He's ready for the day. So then you can just forget it. You can turn all the lights on because it's over then. I almost stayed up last night to do this, but we went to bed pretty late. We stayed outside for a long time, but now I'm wishing I would have just done it last night. Pour these in here. need some cilantro.
Or not. Here it comes.